RT319. To use home mechanical ventilation with a tracheostomy, it's essential that the air from the ventilator is heated and moist. An external humidifier must be used to do this with the correct tubing. A metal hot plate is used to heat the water. Click the chamber into the unit by pressing the blue bar down and sliding it into place. Plug into an AC mains power. Ideally, the humidifier should be positioned lower than the ventilator in order to reduce the risk of water collecting in the tubing. Attach a yellow filter to protect the ventilator from water damage. The filter can become clogged with water and should be replaced daily. The short hose from the circuit is then connected onto the filter and water chamber. Water is drip fed into the chamber using gravity. It will feed more water into the chamber as needed until the black line on the side is reached. The long hose is then connected to the other side. The most important part of the circuit is the expiratory port, or exhalation valve. This is where carbon dioxide is able to escape. Please ensure that this is included in the circuit before use. A catheter mount, or tracheostomy connector, is then used to attach to the tracheostomy. Heater wires are then attached to the circuit. These are colour-coded yellow and blue. The other two connections are shaped specifically to fit the circuit, so match up each shape with the colour. The long heater wire attaches to the end of the circuit before the expiratory port. If the wires are not correctly put in, the humidifier will start alarming. You can press the alarm silence button whilst you fix the problem. Check all connections are secured and not loose. To turn the humidifier on, press the power button. The temperature will appear in green on the screen as it slowly starts to heat up. This is monitored through the heating wires and coil that runs through the circuit. This keeps the temperature stable at approximately 37.5 degrees Celsius. The temperature will change depending on the room temperature. Ensure the green light on the humidifier shows the picture of a tracheostomy. If anything is added to the circuit, such as nebulizers, the circuit will need to be recalibrated to the device. Please inform the home NIV team if this is required. The whole circuit, including the water chamber, should be replaced once a week. The home NIV team will provide you with replacements by using the contact details below.